So guys, you want to go to OBS, then in the top left, click on File, and then go to Settings. Once we're here, you want to go to the Output tab. You want to change the output mode to Advanced, and you want to find Video Encoder. Click on the drop down. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, then you can select NVIDIA. If you don't, then just select X264. Now, you want to scroll down, make your rate control on CBR, make your bits rate 3500, make your keyframe interval 2 seconds, and you want to make the profile on high. Then you want to click on Apply. Next, we're going to go to the Recording tab, change your recording format to MP4, .mp4, MPEG-4. For Video Encoder, click on the drop down. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you want to choose NVIDIA. If you don't, then select X264. Next, we're going to scroll down till we find the encoder settings. Again, make the rate control on CBR, and for the bit rate, you want to make it 15,000. Make the keyframe interval 2 seconds, and make the profile on high, and then click on Apply. Next, you want to go to the Video tab. Make sure that your resolution is correct. Make sure that you have the downscale filter set to bicubic, and for common FPS values, you want to make it 60. And then click on Apply, and then click on OK. Next, you want to go to Search and type in Graphics Settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to select Add Desktop App. You want to find where you have OBS installed. For me, it's on this PC, my C drive, Program Files, Bin, 64-bit, and I've got OBS 64 right here. I'm going to double click on it to select it, which will then add it right here. Now I'm going to click on the drop down. I'm going to set this to high performance. You now have the best settings for OBS.